An unforgettable evening of live entertainment, surprise performances, and festive magic as the beating heart of London's theatreland, Covent Garden, switches on its iconic Christmas lights. The stage is set. The 55-foot Christmas tree is dressed, trimmed, and titivated, and the air is simply brimming and frothing with anticipation. For in just a few moments, the curtain will rise on this season's highly anticipated Christmas Lights Switch On show. So please, prepare to be dazzled as the twinkling, glittering theatre of Christmas comes alive. Let the magic begin.
Well, hello, Covent Garden! Oh my goodness! You are all looking beautiful, by the way. Give me a cheer! Are we excited for today?
Yes!
Well, I just wanted to say hello. My name's Pandora.
And I'm Anna Whitehouse, and we are your Heart FM hosts for tonight!
Well, thank you very much. You're very polite.
You are sparkling. You are sparkling, Covent Garden.
And so are we, by the way.
We are.
I do want to say that it is a delight to be here and to welcome you to the 2025 Covent Garden Light Switch On! Now we have lots of surprises in store for you today and some very special guests as well. Now Covent Garden is celebrating the theatre of Christmas this year, shining a spotlight on the roots in rich traditions of theatre and performance. Now, they love to set the stage for you, each and every one of you, to have the most unforgettable and magical experience, all in the heart of London's theatreland.
Now, Covent Garden, believe it or not, we did not plan these matching outfits, but I believe that they're working, no? Yeah? And that wasn't what I wanted to hear. Are they working? That's what we wanted to hear. Now, as well as live musical performances and the big Christmas tree switch on, she's over there, it's definitely a she. We are also here tonight raising funds for UK charity Acting for Others, a network that provides financial and emotional support to those in times of need. From the performers to the creators and the craftspeople who bring their magic to Covent Garden. So please, please, please look out for donation buckets in the crowd tonight and give big.
Anything that you can, it is much appreciated. So I think it's time that we should start this party. What are you saying?
I feel we're ready to start the party.
Okay, raising the roof for Christmas. Please welcome Disney's award-winning musical, The Lion King!
On this planet and blinking, step into the sun. There is more to see that can never be seen, more to do that can ever be done. There is far too much to take in here, more to find that can never be found. But the sun rolling high through the sapphire sky keeps great and small on the endless round. It's enough for this restless wanderer just to be with you.
That amazing. Everyone, please make some more noise. I did say that it was going to be a very, very special evening. And now, live from the heart of London's Theatreland, we have a very big treat for you.
Oh, yes, we do.
Winning a record-breaking, are you ready for this? 7 Olivier Awards. 7.
I'm not surprised, not on any level.
Give me a ooh. There we go.
It's pantomime.
Oh, it really is actually. Well, we're in the heartland, right? Okay, from the captivating Kit Kat Club, can you please welcome to the stage Cabaret Salé Bowles!
Đằng sau hàng rào á.
Maybe this time I'll be lucky. Maybe this time he'll stay.
Oh, it's a train, yeah.
Maybe this time, for the first time, love won't hurry away. He will hold me fast. I'll be home at last.
Yeah, like if she said it was 30, it'd probably be like +5.
Not a loser anymore, like the last time and the time before. Everybody loves a winner, so nobody loved me. Lady peaceful, lady happy, that's what I long to be. All the odds are in my favor. Something's bound to begin. It's got to happen sometime. Maybe this time I'll win. this time. Maybe this time. Are we?
Is to shout as loudly as possible. When I ask you this question, are you having fun, Covent Garden?
I think they could do better.
Are you having fun, Covent Garden? Now, we are nearly at the moment you have all been waiting for, okay? The big button push. And this year, we have a star-studded lineup for you to light up London.
Okay, so I want you to make some noise and please welcome to the stage Acting for Others ambassadors, West End stars and icons of stage and screen. We have former prima ballerina, principal of the Royal Ballet and Strictly Judge, Dame Darcy Bussell.
We have award-winning actor and singer Matt Henry MBE.
Legendary star of stage and screen, Sir Derek Jacobi.
We have actor, comedian, presenter and writer Stephen Mangan.
I'm guessing these guys are going
We
to
have
flip it.
actor, broadcaster, writer, comedian and faithful, Sir Stephen Fry.
And we have fellow faithful, award-winning British actress and best-selling author Celia Imrie.
Good evening, Covent Garden. What a perfect place to be celebrating the traitors. Oh, no, sorry, Christmas. And to have the hugest tree and the starriest decorations you're going to see in a minute is the most perfect place in the middle of Theatreland. And I was thinking, actually, especially for children, Christmas is probably the first experience they have of the theatre. It's certainly where I began as a chorus girl in pantomime. So it's also very fitting to tell you very quickly about our charity, Acting for Others, which is supporting performers and creators in front of the stage, backstage, who might have fallen on hard times. So I just wanted to thank you all for coming and for your generous help, and I can't wait to see the lights.
Well, thank you very much, Celia. And without further ado, I am delighted to introduce you our button pusher for this evening. Oh, there you go. You're doing good at this now. Ooh, see? Okay, we have an amazing British actress with a marvelous Hollywood career, huge star of the West End stage. It is none other than Hayley Atwell.
Hello, Covent Garden, good evening. So good to be here, some faithful friends amongst us and listening to this incredible talent this evening. Earlier this year, I performed in Much Ado About Nothing at the Drury Lane. And every night, 2,000 people gathered to hear a 400-year-old play. That's because here in Covent Garden, this is the centre and the heart of Theatreland. It is where we come together to celebrate the power of storytelling that is inclusive, transformative, communal, all the things that also embody the spirit of Christmas. So without much further ado, let's turn on these lights. You ready?